Alright people, we are outside the Quality Inn in Bristol, Virginia. This used to be a microtel and it's the current railroad hotel. I did a visit to this place a long time ago when it was a microtel, but I'm going to show you how it looks now that it's a Quality and the renovations are done.
Thank you for making the
The lobby is all new. As you can tell, they got all new furniture here. Now we're going to go take a look at room 316. I think everyone remembers this elevator. I will be doing a more detailed tour of this hotel in the future, showing you several different kinds of rooms. There's the vending machines. And here we are at room 316. Here we go. This is one of the smaller rooms. Like I said, this used to be a microtel, and one of the selling points of microtel was smaller rooms. Interior corridor. First thing you see when you enter the room is the bathroom. This hotel has been completely remodeled since the last time I filmed here, so leave in the comments below what looks different. Here's your sink. There's your amenities. You have a hair dryer. And they put new dual flush commodes in, as well as a new floor. This is your bathtub and shower, which we're going to check out. Shower pressure is absolutely amazing. They put a new, whatever this is called, I don't know if it's a backsplash, but they put new this in. Now this is the guest room. They used to have mirrors and fluorescent lights above the bed, but now they have a nice big headboard. I love the color scheme they used for the new paint. It's really pretty. LG flat screen TV on the wall. There's your desk. Over here is your phone. You have a little nightstand here. Drawer space. Here's another nightstand. Here is your climate control unit. Has a nice constant fan option. Here is the window seat. There used to be some sort of like cushion on it, but now it's just bare wood. The views haven't changed. You still see Interstate 81. You have an open air closet here, and now all the rooms feature a fridge and a microwave. Nice and spacious. That's a nice touch. Now let's get to the bed. That's another thing they got. New beds, and boy are they comfortable. I don't believe this is a pillow top mattress, but it is still very comfortable. And like I've been doing in my recent hotel tours, we're going to check the bed for cleanliness, although I don't think there will be any issues here because this is a very clean hotel. Not one hair. Not one speck of dirt. So this hotel is definitely very clean. Birdie and her staff do a great job at this hotel. This has been my home away from home in Bristol for over a decade now. And the renovations were recently completed, and I will have to say The new rooms are wonderful, and to anyone passing through Bristol, I will highly recommend this as a nice place to stay, where you're going to be treated really nicely and you're going to get, as you see, a very clean and comfortable bed. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this little mini tour. It may be a little while, but Birdie told me she's going to let me tour one of each of the different types of rooms in this property. But this right here you just saw is one of the smaller rooms. Those of you who've been following this channel for a while, leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about the new rooms compared to the rooms back when it used to be a microtel. That'll be it. A huge thank you to all of my patrons for your support of elevaTOURS.
The video's over.
But it doesn't have to be.
You can always watch more. And you know what to do.
Click the buttons. And don't forget to subscribe and light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.